Hello, it's Davida. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow on this beautiful sunny day. I am doing something today that is huge. I'm working on 30 by 40 canvas. I am going to incorporate some satin enamels, not a cloud pour, but, we're going to do something a little different. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, so I'm going to show you those colors and my consistency, which is rather thick for what, I've been doing recently. So here are all the colors that I am working with. This here is my satin enamel mix, and I'm actually using the satin enamels. This one is soft linen that I mixed with a little mineral colored paint by Waverly. And I just wanted to, I didn't want to use white. I wanted it to have a more, a little darker feel to it. You can see, let me see. Yeah, we're leaving a mound on this one. This is our Artist Loft Black. And we have some Deco Arts Matte Metallics Gold. So everything is running about the same consistency. This here is Amsterdam's Copper. And we have our mound and a mound. We also have our last color, which is Art Minds. Excuse me. Art Minds Metallic Bronze, which I also mixed in some Modern Masters Antique Bronze, because the Art Minds was a little lighter than I wanted it. So I mixed in a little of the Modern Masters to darken it up a little bit, which it did, and I'm very happy with the outcome. Now, when you're painting on a large scale, this large canvas, and you're using multiple cups of the same color, you want to make sure that you blend the cups. So when I measure, I use a scale, but it can always be off by a couple of ounces. So I make sure that I mix the colors so that they are exactly the same when I'm doing this piece. Okay, so you want to mix it, you want to stir it, that way you don't run out of a color while you're working. They're going to be the same consistency and the same color. So that is a little tip for you, those that are want to work on a large scale canvas and you're mixing colors in different cups, or the same color in different cups. you want to incorporate those 2 cups. So now we're going to pan over to the canvas, and we're going to get this pour started. So before we do that, we're going to layer our cup. We're going to put our cloud mix in first. And we don't want a lot because we don't want it to overtake the picture. Then we're going to put in some black, our gold, our bronze, I'm sorry, that was a copper. Now our bronze. And we're going to do it again, but not add any more cloud mix. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed. I am not going to flood the canvas. I am going to use the additional bronze copper that I made as a flow extender, because I don't want our pour to run over itself. Okay, I'm a little nervous, but we will see how it turns out. Camera is rolling. Canvas is in focus. Here we go. I am going to make 3 puddles. Yes, 3 puddles. And I'm going to do a straight pour initially. And then we're going to, toward the end, do a little ziggy-zag. And I sure hope this satin enamels doesn't take over it. Excuse me, my voice is cracking today. Doesn't take over too much. Let's do another one over on this end. You can already see I added more satin enamels in the bottom of that cup than I did in this cup. And always remember, what you put in first comes out last. And we're going to do another one down here. And as much as I try to level my canvas, I see it is still moving But that could just be the weight of the, of the paint gravitating toward the center. Okay. Now we're going to add our flow extender, which is going to be the copper. Kind of doing what I envisioned. I'm going to go back this way. I don't want to lose all that satin enamels. So what I'm going to do, now I'm going to finish tilting off that way. And I'm going to come back this way. Oh, okay. I'm not liking that little area there. So I am going to bring it down some and kind of break up that bronze. Definitely loving this area here. Not so much this here. So what I may do is bring this down. Let's see if we can do that. Because there's still a lot of paint on the canvas. Yes, I'm liking that better. Much better. Okay. I am done. And I am loving this. Do you like it? I like it. I think we have, wait for it, we have a winner chicken dinner. This is beautiful. Okay. I love the way it kind of pearled up right here. And the cloud mixture incorporated, it just kind of, brings it all together. I did add a strip of copper. I'm sorry, but I added it off camera because that area was, it needed to be broken up a little bit. I'm not really crazy about this area, but everything else is beautiful. Let me see if I can bring it down for a close-up without messing up anything. Okay. Look at this beauty. Okay, let me get away from the glare. Right in this area. Look at those sails, how they popped up. And I wasn't even really going for that much sellage, but yeah, this corner here, very nice. I'm not going too fast for you. Okay. Here I am. Hi. Ooh, that was a workout. Okay. So this is going to be part of my Go Big or Go Home series. I am excuse me. I am really loving the way this turned out. So this is it. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. I want to thank you. Thank you for your support, for subscribing, for your comments. I really appreciate it. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Which way am I looking? See you next 4. Bye-bye.